Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can search by image in Vinted. So what you'll need to do is basically open a Vinted, then log into it, and right here near the search bar you'll see that you can search by image. So let's say you want to search something and you can upload an image right here. So let's say you have shoes that specifically you want, so just click upload it and simply upload an image, and as you can see it just search for the image. So I uploaded my logo, and as you can see there were no items found. So if you have any shoes that you want or whatever, just click on it here, upload the image, and you'll be good to go. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.